Hello, welcome back to Burdu.id channel. This video will show you how to add background music to your website or landing page. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Burdu channel for hundreds of useful tutorials. Hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell. First, from your Burdu website dashboard, go to Layout. You can choose either Edit your homepage or Edit your custom page. You can create a new page or edit an existing one. Click Edit, then Add New Section, and choose the Music section. Paste the YouTube video URL that contains the music you want to use. For now, let's use this YouTube link as an example. Here's the music that's currently playing. Please note, on some browsers, music will only start playing after the user interacts with the page. For example, by clicking somewhere on the site. If you want the music to loop automatically when it ends, check the Loop option. You can also change the song anytime by replacing the link with a different YouTube video URL. Once you're done, click Save. Now let's preview the page. Here's how it looks. I'll close the layout editor and refresh the page. And this is the result. As mentioned earlier, on some browsers, music won't play automatically until the user clicks somewhere on the page. In the Google Chrome browser, you can see a speaker icon here, which indicates that this website has background music, just like we configured earlier. Also, not all browsers support autoplay background music. For example, iOS or some smartphone browsers, as it's considered potentially disruptive to visitors. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Like this video, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the Burdu channel for more step-by-step guides. Also, follow us on social media for more great content. See you!